Hey guys, today I will be comparing two acne-prone toners that I felt were quite similar. The Cosrx Natural BHA Skin Returning Acyl contains 69.8% black bee propolis to soothe, repair, and hydrate skin while inhibiting bacterial growth. Natural AHAs and BHAs also aid in controlling excess sebum, clearing impurities, and dead skin cells. The Cosrx is quite liquidy, has a faint smell to it, and absorbs quickly into the skin. The Tiam AC Fighting AHA BHA PHA Toner is formulated for acne-prone skin, revealing a healthy-looking complexion. Infused with AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs to gently remove dead skin cells while restoring an optimal water-oil balance. The Tiam is also quite liquidy and has a light yellow color to it as well. It has no smell and also absorbs quickly into the skin. Both feel quite similar, however the Cosrx feels a little bit more hydrating. They both have similar ingredients, but the Cosrx has two extra fighting ingredients, propolis and tea tree oil. Both are nice and quite similar, but would depend on personal preference. For me, I would pick the Cosrx just because it's a bit more hydrating. That concludes my comparison. Hopefully this was a helpful video and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye!